Understanding mobile wallets, a comprehensive guide. A mobile wallet has rapidly transformed how we engage with financial transactions, providing convenience and an added layer of security. But what exactly is a mobile wallet, and how does it work? This article explores the various facets of mobile wallets, their benefits, concerns, and types through a detailed lens. What is a mobile wallet? A mobile wallet is a digital application or built-in feature on smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches that securely stores payment information such as credit and debit card details. It allows users to make purchases both online and in physical stores that have payment systems compatible with mobile wallets. Not only can a mobile wallet hold your financial details, but it can also store other important documents like loyalty cards, driver's licenses, and boarding passes. Key takeaways. Storage. Mobile wallets store financial information and important documents securely on your device. Convenience. They enable quick and contactless transactions. Technology. Mobile wallets often leverage secure technology, such as near-field communication, NFC, to facilitate quick payments. Understanding mobile wallets. Mobile wallets can be broadly categorized into built-in features of devices, for instance, Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, and Samsung Wallet, and third-party apps, like PayPal, Venmo. When transactions occur, mobile wallets communicate wirelessly with payment terminals using NFC technology. This interaction enhances the user experience by allowing rapid and seamless payments. How mobile wallets work. When you want to make a purchase, such as at a grocery store, you simply hold your NFC-enabled mobile device near the payment terminal. Your wallet app will use a secure method, like face recognition or a passcode, to authorize the transaction. The payment information is then transmitted through NFC technology, which significantly reduces the time spent at checkout compared to traditional card swipes. Key technologies behind mobile wallets. 1. Near-field communication, NFC. This technology allows devices to communicate wirelessly over short distances, facilitating instant transactions. 2. Encryption. Mobile wallets employ strict encryption methods that make it difficult for unauthorized users to access sensitive information. 3. Tokenization. When a transaction occurs, the mobile wallet doesn't transmit actual credit card information but a unique token that represents the transaction. This means that even if a hacker obtains this token, they cannot convert it back to your real card details. Types of mobile wallet apps. Different mobile wallet options exist to accommodate diverse user needs. Built-in wallets. Preloaded apps like Apple Pay, iOS, Google Pay, Android, and Samsung Pay, Samsung devices, allow users to pay directly from their wallets with cards stored securely. Third-party wallets. Apps like PayPal and Venmo operate as both online payment platforms and mobile wallets, offering alternative ways to send and receive money. Venmo, for instance, supports peer-to-peer payments and is increasingly being accepted by retail outlets. A closer look at popular mobile wallet apps. 1. Apple Pay. Integrated into Apple devices, it allows secure transactions and is used widely in app purchases and in-store payments. 2. Google Pay. Available on both Android and iOS, though recently it suspended peer-to-peer payments in the US. 3. Samsung Pay. Exclusively for Samsung devices, it supports NFC and magnetic secure transmission to make payments at traditional card readers. 4. PayPal. Its mobile app functions similarly to a digital wallet, allowing easy online payments and money transfers, but may include fees depending on the payment method. 5. Venmo. Popular among younger users for peer-to-peer transactions, with emerging retail acceptance. Benefits of mobile wallets. Mobile wallets provide various benefits ranging from security to efficiency. Enhanced security. Advanced encryption and authentication methods help protect against fraud and identity theft. Convenience. Instant payments make checkout lines faster, and everything you need is in one digital wallet. Versatility. Beyond payment cards, mobile wallets can store various forms of identification, making it easier to manage essential documents. Special considerations and security concerns. While mobile wallets offer a host of advantages, some users remain skeptical about their security. A few concerns include data handling. Users worry about how their personal information is stored and protected. Smartphone theft. Although smartphones can be stolen, the presence of security features like biometric locks and PIN codes offers a higher degree of protection than traditional wallets. It's worth noting that the card information is not stored on the mobile device itself. Instead, it is encrypted and secured on a separate chip, protecting users even if the device is compromised. Digital wallets versus mobile wallets. While digital wallets and mobile wallets are often used interchangeably, they have key distinctions. Digital wallets, typically accessed via desktop for online transactions and may not have mobile-friendly interfaces. Mobile wallets, specifically designed for mobile devices, facilitating quick payments both in-store and online. Conclusion. Mobile wallets represent a significant advancement in how we handle payment transactions today, merging convenience with a high level of security. As technology continues to evolve, mobile wallets are likely to become more sophisticated and widely adopted. New users can feel confident choosing from numerous widely accepted apps, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal, to facilitate secure financial transactions on the go. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just looking for an easier way to pay, mobile wallets can simplify your financial transactions significantly.